It is April 24th, 2020. This is my daily disaster recap video. Yes, another disaster. Today I took two trades, both losers. First one was on Chesapeake CHK. What I saw was a solid green candlestick. It was ticking up pretty nicely, but I don't know what happened. When I looked at it, I believe the spread was okay. I should have gone in earlier, but I'm trying to get used to my hotkeys, my chart, my cheat sheet again. Still, I should say. Um, I got in fewer shares. I took let's see, I took 50 shares just because it was moving a lot. It wasn't 50 cent or it wasn't dollar increments at the time, but I think it was. I think it actually was only 10 or 15 cent increments at the time. But anyways, the spread seemed okay. I didn't see anything on level two. I wasn't, really confident, overconfident on this one. And I got in, so I got in here, and I noticed, and it started moving up, and I took some off up here, but I got filled way down here. So I tried again, and the same thing happened. So I look at the spread, and it was like 20 cents or something, or 30 cents. So I don't know. I guess the spread just widened immensely after I got in. So that was a bad thing. So after I saw that, so I waited for it to go up, higher. But it just, next candlestick formed, and then it just dropped like this much. What is that? A dollar and a half almost. All of a sudden, just in a second, and I was just stunned for a second after I saw that. So I got out as soon as I saw that. So that was a huge, huge loss. So this was a terrible stock to trade. In fact, a few minutes ago, Andrew and Brian were saying Chesapeake is a terrible, it's a disaster. Don't trade it. And in fact, it was even paused. It was what do you call it? It was halted. It was halted a few minutes ago. So it was just it's a mess. So it's just one of those things I think where it starts off okay and and just sometimes this thing kind of happens. You just can't control it. It just turned into a mess after I got in. So just an unfortunate thing, I guess. So anyway, so I lost almost $40 on that stock. I should have lost 15 at max, but I didn't. I lost $40. So that was terrible. It wasn't a bad. It wasn't a bad trade. It wasn't. I mean, it wasn't the best entry, and I was covering. At least I thought it was a good place. So just you just something that was going well and or going okay, but you just can't control these weird things that happen once in a while. So that was bad. So then again today I felt pretty good. I wasn't letting my emotions get a hold of me. I didn't get that real bad revenge feeling. And I kept looking around, looking at what was available here, what was going on. And I saw this. INO. It closed below these lines, averages, and then another red candlestick here. Then this one, and this one started forming. It started coming. It was going sideways some more. So I got in, thinking it was going to go down. But shortly after I did, it started going up. Well, it kind of went down a little bit, but then it went up and up and up and up, and then it did this, and then then I got stopped out. So this I took 75 shares. So this I had a 20 cent stop. My stop loss wasn't really 20 cents, but because I was going to get out. Well, I guess. Well, no, I think I was going to go for 15 cents. So I took a little bit too many shares than I should have, but I only lost $10 on that one, so that wasn't too bad. The real time price action I should note was not that great. I just like the pattern mostly, and I didn't. I think I saw something on level two at the time, but that's not it's not always a sure thing. So so not a good day. I lost. Let's see. I lost $50 today, not even including commissions. So what would have been a decent day, just turned into a bad day. Can't help it. Sometimes these things happen. I just have to deal with it, and that's how I'm ending the week. So I'm down $90 this week. So I really, really bad. And this is one of the worst weeks I've had in a while, actually. So I went from one of the best weeks last week to one of the worst weeks this week. So quite the roller coaster the last couple of weeks. So hopefully I can get a hold of myself next week and forget this week ever happened and continue trading the way I was previously to this.